How to adjust how you want to see on Plenty of Fish. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. Without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Plenty of Fish application from your device. Make sure that you get logged into your Plenty of Fish account. Then tap onto your profile icon on your top right. Then scroll all the way below and tap onto Preferences. At this page, you can actually adjust how you want to see. Tap onto the first option of age and choose the age from 18 to 33. Once done, tap onto the right icon on your top right. Secondly, tap onto country and select the country which you want to see. And lastly, you can choose the first contact length. Choose your characters and tap onto right at the top. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.